Welcome to USA Fitness Fusion. Today we're exploring the benefits of adding resistance bands to your workout routine. Resistance bands are versatile, portable, and great for strength training and flexibility. Whether you're at home, in the gym, or on the go, resistance bands can take your workout to the next level. Section 1. Why use resistance bands? Resistance bands are more than just a convenient tool. They create constant tension on your muscles, helping you build strength, tone, and endurance. They're also joint-friendly, reducing strain compared to heavy weights. So, if you're looking to add variety and challenge without risking injury, resistance bands are perfect. Section 2. Types of resistance bands. There are different types of resistance bands, each offering unique benefits. Loop bands are ideal for leg and glute workouts, while tube bands with handles are versatile for upper body moves like rows and bicep curls. Therapy bands are thinner, making them perfect for rehabilitation or gentle stretching. Section 3. Incorporating resistance bands into your routine. Incorporating resistance bands is simple. For added intensity, add them to exercises like squats, lunges, or push-ups. Using bands during these moves increases the tension on your muscles, pushing them to work harder throughout the movement. This means more effective workouts without needing extra weights. Section 4. Full Body Resistance Band. Workout example. Here's a sample full body workout using resistance bands. Start with squats to target your legs and glutes, then move on to rows for your back, shoulder presses for upper body strength, and finish with seated twists for core. This simple routine works multiple muscle groups effectively with just one band. Section 5. Benefits of resistance. Bands on the go. One of the best things about resistance bands is their portability. You can bring them anywhere, whether you're at the park, in a hotel room, or at home. They're lightweight, take up little space, and give you a full workout wherever you are, making them perfect for busy schedules and travel. Ready to add resistance bands to your workouts? They're a fantastic way to build strength, increase flexibility, and fit in a workout wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to USA Fitness Fusion, and hit the bell for more fitness tips and workout ideas.